A week ago, on this site, there was nothing but emptiness. Now hundreds of tents, shelter for the thousands, fill the landscape. When the government of northern Iraq opened its borders, thousands arrived. In just 1 week, over 40,000 people have crossed. With Domiz camp already short of space, a temporary camp in Kawargost was created. There are now over 7,000 people staying here, and more keep coming. Ali Omar is 70 years old from Hasaka province in Syria.
منت كاريم شخورا هرن خوارني بين وام بكنو او بنو از برمجم تختور واز معالجه كريمو از انيمو از هات ما بيدر ديس از انيما مالي از انيما جي خو چادر برمجم تختور وابدر ماني هنجمرن بيسي اني وجارغا دي از بغران ما چادر خو واز بيدر دانيم وخوارن جمرا اني مخوارن جي خوار ونو كانش جمچو.
Providing these services fast is the challenge for the humanitarian agencies. Food and water are being brought from the capital Erbil, about 60 kilometers away. New camps are being built and more are planned. UNHCR says it's thankful to the Kurdish government for opening its border.
Everybody who wants to seek asylum should be allowed to enter into the country to find protection and security.
Many of the refugees say they are fleeing because of a rise in violence in their region. Others say the lack of food and water forced them to leave their homes. This exodus from Syria is among the largest seen so far in the conflict, now into its 3rd year.